Hello everyone, this is Krishan again and welcome to this tutorial, theme setup tutorials, and today we're going to cover the how to create blocks and display to the web pages. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with the video. First we're gonna see the first go to your design manager and your theme. This is a Siloh Pro child theme which I have created already, and go to template. Now I think there is nothing inside the template. Okay, no problem. So if you go to main marketplace, search for your particular theme. Okay, it's a Siloh theme here. So inside the theme there must be a two template. One is blog page and another is blog index page. If I go here, let's take this example. Okay, so inside the template you get the one is blog detail page and one is blog list page. So these two pages must be there inside your theme. Please go and check it out. Or this can be blog index page instead of list. So in your case might be different, but these two pages are important. So let's go back to our theme. Let's cut this out and let's go our Siloh Pro theme. Okay, template, yep, blog index. So there, if you purchase Siloh Pro theme, you might get two or three templates. I'll show you in a minute. So first go to your dashboard, go to your blog page settings, then go to your blogs. Let me see, content, yeah, blogs. So first you have to create the blogs. So how you can create? First go here, click here, current view, and if you already created, you see the list over here, bunch of lists. So if you haven't created the list, go ahead and create a new blog. Blog name, let's say tutorial blogs. Description will be, we'll keep the same, tutorial blogs. Let's create this. Okay, I created it. Now let's choose the template. You can set you can edit the later if you want to change the blog name, headers, titles and descriptions. Then we go to template. Currently set it's Siloh. So this one is the single article page or single blog page, and this one is the blog listing page. So you can change the article page or the blog listing page. Just go here and click the action button, change template. You can choose. So in Siloh Pro there might be one or two template available. You can choose between those. So I have so many themes inside my account, so I can add any of the template from here. So by default it is set to Siloh Pro, if I not wrong. Yeah, it's set to this, and for the listing page it's already there. So if I go here and change template, let's see. Okay, sorry, action preview, change it. Yep. Okay, so this is the blog listing page which is already available. Okay, so this is the blog listing page. Nice. Sorry for that, my internet is literally slow. So let's cut this for now. So now as you can see, the template are done. Now it's time to create a new blocks. So if you haven't created the blocks, go to the content, then go to blocks. Okay, so these are the all the listed blocks you have created, or you haven't created, it shows empty. Now let's create a new block. First, I have created the block a couple of minutes ago or seconds ago. So let's choose that tutorial blocks. Yep. So inside the tutorial blocks there is no block, single blocks available. So let's create from this. Okay, so this one is our template in Siloh Pro. So let's go and add here any text. Tutorial blog, and let's go here. This is the comment part, and if you want to see all the fields or the elements, what are the elements you're using, just go here, left side of your page, content. You see here a blog content. Currently it's not filled yet, so let's add here any. This is the content, the content part. That much you have to do, and this is it. This one is the comment. The social links, if you want to add social links, you go to here and you see here a loader, blog comments, footer, loader, blog content. This is the content, and I'm able to see the links. Okay, we'll see it later. Let's go to settings here. Okay, so tutorial page. Make sure you add everything's every contents here. This is the tutorial blocks, content slug, blog post. Okay, no problem. Let's cut this. Awesome. So it requires meta description, blog author, feature image. So these three things I have to add. So go to settings. Let's say feature image, browse image. You can take anything you want. Let's add this one, slider image. Okay, the image maybe works on social media post. Okay, let's cut this. Image text, image, meta description, not available. Let's add here blocks for tutorial. Okay, let's cut this and see what are the changes required. Blog author, so you have to add blog author as well. So let's add the author here, admin. Tag, let's say adventure. Okay, I think it should be done here. Let's publish this. Okay, so this is the link, tutorial blocks. You can remove the tutorial blocks, additional tutorial blocks from here. Let's go and check. Put this one. Okay, so looks good. Okay, so here's my content, here's my links. If I go and click here, okay, so the link are the, yeah, it is automatic. You don't have to add any link. Just go to your link. If you have account, it will redirect you to the Facebook page. Okay, so after creating blog, just go to your blogs. Okay, so we just created the tutorial blog, right? Go to action, view. Okay, so this is the single blog. Let's go back here. I believe go to the setting, my mistakes, then blogs, template. You can choose different template. Okay, first select your the blog you have created. So I have created tutorial blocks. So this is the single block template and this is the listing template. Go to the preview page, open a new tab and go back. So this is your listing page. Here you get the blog header and the blog module, blog listing sidebar. So in this module you can edit the listing options like the stylings, the model setting, listing style. You can select 1, 2, 3. Yes, so this is a different style, or you can choose the style 3. It's up to you. Let's go. It's not loading yet. Let's go to 1 for now. So it looks a bit good, appropriate, because I have only one block created. Let's close this and update. Go here, tutorial blocks. Okay, so it's not loaded yet. Let's go preview from here. It will show you immediately. Let's cut this. Okay, fantastic. So now your this one is the blog listing page. This is the URL, by the way, and if you go here and click this, it will take you to the single blog page. Perfect. So this is how you can create your blog page. And if you want to add this blog page to your what to say, the navigation link, then just go here and go to navigation links, navigation menu, select your link over here, and this is the breadcrumb. It's a tutorial which is created to the menu. This one is assigned to our child theme template. Want to add the menu, add page link. Let's add here the blogs. Then I'm going to add the URL link only. So URL link, paste, save. Now let's go to the web pages. Bound UI, Siloh Pro test page. Let's view this page. Okay, so this is, now you can see the blog page is the blog link is ready and the page also is ready. Let's click this. It will take you to the blog page. Here we go. So this is your blog page, and if you click here, you go to the single blog page. Okay, fantastic. So this is pretty much it, and I hope you understand from this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.